In the fall of 2020, Whatcom Conservation District, in partnership with the Veteran Conservation Corps and Snohomish Conservation District, designed and installed 5 rain gardens on residential properties in the Seamount neighborhood of Ferndale, Washington. A rain garden is a vegetated depression created in your landscape that allows rainwater from your roof or driveway to slowly soak into the ground instead of running off into the nearest stream, river, or the Puget Sound. It may seem like a small thing, but many rain gardens together, clustered in a neighborhood, help filter polluted water and slow the flow of runoff. Whatcom Conservation District recruited landowners that were excited about transitioning their lawns to rain gardens. With the help of the Veteran Conservation Corps, existing soils were removed and replaced with a special blend of high organic soil, bioretention mix, and mulch.
The Veterans Conservation Corps is a program run by the Department of Veteran Affairs and who is partnered with the Snohomish Conservation District to give veterans a chance to get out and get some experience in different kind of conservation and habitat restoration work. Hey, my name is Taylor Pesh. I'm with the Snohomish Conservation District and I run the Veterans Conservation Corps, and we were the ones that implemented these projects up here in Whatcom County. It's a huge jumping off point for veterans who want to be in environmental conservation work. But it's also just a point that they can get into and figure out what they like to do, whether it's within construction, within conservation. It just kind of gives them the feelers to find out what they like to do and what they're good at. Main purpose of the rain garden is to be able to grab that stormwater, hold it, and then force it back in the ground when it's ready, thus giving a better, cleaner water table and something to do with your water instead of it sitting around your house.
Once the site was dug and the soil replaced, the rain gardens are then planted with beautiful, hardy, low-maintenance native plants, which can withstand drought and wet root conditions. Native plants work great in rain gardens. They are adapted to our wet winters and drought-tolerant in the summer once they are established. Seamount homeowners were encouraged to select their own native plant varieties from a list of recommended species. The selected plants were delivered on-site for families to be an integral part of the project. And a fun part. Digging in the soil and mulch, these neighbors work together to get the plants in the ground before winter.
My name's Amanda Zimmerman. I live in Ferndale, Washington, and I have lived here 7 years. I got a flyer in the mail saying to send an email, and I had heard of the Conservation District doing rain gardens before, so I jumped on the opportunity. I'm really excited about having less lawn to mow, and I'm really excited to see how the plants grow and the wildlife, the bird habitat, and seeing how it all comes together over the next couple years.
A rain garden can be a multi-purpose solution in helping make your home, neighborhood, and the environment just a little bit cleaner. Are you tired of your lawn? A rain garden is a perfect alternative, bringing color, biodiversity, and functionality to your yard. Contact your local conservation district today for information on how you and your neighbors can join in reducing runoff and pollution.